Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to add products to BigCommerce. So let's start! To start, click on Product. Then click Add. Then you will see right here the Add Product page. From here, you can add the basic information. For example, you can add the product name and then the product type. Add the product type. You can select if the product is digital or a physical product. And then proceed to pricing. You can also select a category that can help your customer find your products. And then add a description. You can also add images and videos of your products. You can also add variations of your product. Now put on your product's dimensions and weight. Then proceed to shipping details. In this part, you will see the things that you have to fulfill in order to add your products. For example, the purchasability, gift wrapping, SEO, and etc. After adding the necessary information, just click on Save to add your products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.